Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So before we begin, I would like to mention that this is my first time recording with a microphone and my communication skills are still improving. So please excuse any mistake. Actually, my goal is to share useful tele knowledge with you in the simplest possible way. So thank you so much for the support. I promise you will see improvement in my communication skills in upcoming videos. So let's get started. So today I am going to show you how you can export multiple vouchers from Tele to PDF, or how you can print multiple vouchers from Tele. So you have no need to buy any TDL or any third-party software for this work. And first of all, I want to clarify that this option is on enabled only in license version. So you should have a Teleprime or a Teleprime Gold or Silver version because in educational mode it's not workable. So let's start it. As you can see, there I'm on Gateway of Tele, and here you can see a print option on upper right hand side. So click on print and then click on others, and here you will see multi vouchers. So click on multi vouchers, then here payment voucher is selected. Now I want to export tax invoices, so I will click on configure, click on voucher type. I will erase this, and here you can see there are multiple options, like if I want to export credit note, debit note, delivery note, sale purchase. So you can select from here. Now I want to export tax invoices. I will click on tax invoice and then enter. And then period. I want to export all the invoices in PDF format. So I will click on PDF. Here I will choose 1st April 2024 to 31st March 2025. Then if you want to give print, you can select printer from here. But now I just want to make a PDF. So I will click on do PDF and then OK, and then press Control A and then print. It is showing that configured width is more than the page width. Okay, no worries. I will go, and if you want to adjust, you can adjust it. But I'm just showing you the option. So I'm not going to make any changes in width. It's just for educational purpose. So press continue, enter. Now it will ask you the path where you want to save the PDF. So browse. Now I'm saving in documents folder and then save and then OK. Now I already exported in that folder. So it is asking me to replace it. So I'm replacing. Okay. So now you can see total 10 invoices are exported here in PDF format. Now I will open Tally. I will see how many invoices I have. Okay, I have 10 invoices and my 10 invoices are exported. So please comment on the video if you want to know more features of Teleprime, and if you have any suggestions, please just let me know. I will work on it and make a video.